All right, what's going on, people? Welcome to Making a Sandwich with Anthony, where we gonna make a sandwich, right? So first we gonna start out with the simple stuff, right? So first we pull out this, bam, no free advertisement, but you know it's mayonnaise. It's the good stuff. So we take some of this, pop it on like this, you know, nothing too crazy, just enough, right? Slide this back over to the refrigerator, right? Then we smooth this out like so with the butter knife. Get it nice and even. Right? This is going to be an amazing sandwich though, by the way. I'm telling you now. Right? So now we got the mayo nice and spread it evenly on the bread. Both pieces, right? We move on to the good stuff. So we use this is the American cheese. So we take 2 slices, put 1 slice on each piece of bread. Like so. You know, deli cut, not too thick, not too thin. We got some of this. When we put this in here, now we move on to the turkey's part. All right, we got some honey turkey. You know, some more deli meat. Like bam, you know what I'm saying? We go from there. Then we take probably like 8 or 9 slices of this. You know, you could fold it or whatever. Maybe even 10 slices, you know, like just pile it on there. The more the merrier, the healthier the sandwich. So, you know, we just pile it on there. So you put I like to do it even. So whatever I do on one side, I do on the other. So if I put like 4 pieces on one side, 4 go on the other, etc., etc. So I like to do that. So yeah, that's the meat. Now we move on. So now, me personally, I like to add a little bit of spicy brown mustard to it. So it's not Golden's, but Golden's be popping. But we put a little bit of this on there. 1 little line on each side for me. That's good enough for me. We can throw this back in the refrigerator. That goes in there. Now we gotta use this puppy, and I'm gonna show you why. So we got some of this fresh lettuce, and you can use whatever tickle your fancy, romaine, iceberg, whatever. So you see we got the good lettuce, right? And we washed it off, we cleaned it already. That's why it's in the Ziploc bag. But this one I actually don't even have to cut. I'm gonna just cut the edge off because I don't really need like the extra stalk, right? So then we blam, 1 piece of lettuce on there, boom, right? You could do 2 if you want, but one should suffice for this. Then next, we got this, which is the red onion. And basically what we do is, see if I can zoom in real quick and show you, we just cut a nice little piece of it, like so. Right? And then you can knock out the middle because you don't need, well, it depends. If you're an onion lover, you can go extra on the onions. I mean, I dig onions, but not to the point of excess. So I take out the middle, and then I got like these 4 ring type jaws. Just wham, 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 and then wham. You know what I'm saying? You can sit those there. So when you bite into it, you get a nice piece of onion flavor with it. Let me slide this over so you can see what it's looking like, right? And then we got one more thing to slide on this. And you probably know what it is. I mean, most people already know. But we're gonna go with the tomato or the tomato, however you want to say it. Yeah, that's what we about to get busy with. You know, like especially when times is hard, you can definitely make one of these. They filling. I got some chips up there that I'm gonna combine with this. This is lunch. So you see, I got the tomato. I'm gonna cut me some nice pieces real quick. Probably two nice little pieces. Oh, there we go. So that's 1. Slap that on there, and then this is number 2. Slap that. Oh, hold up. We want to even them out. So when we bite this thing, you know, we get even distribution, and then you have it. So then I plop this out on top, bam, and I'm about to clean up real quick. But this is basically what she looks like. You know what I'm saying? That's how you make a sandwich. So making a sandwich for Anthony, basically honey turkey, cheese, lettuce, tomato, onions, mayo, spicy mustard. making a sandwich with Anthony. All right, thanks, y'all. Peace.